Howdy. Today I will be doing my CHEM 107 review video, and I will be talking about formal charges. A formal charge is the electric charge of an atom in a molecule. The way we calculate formal charge is by taking the number of valence electrons and subtracting it by the sum of the number of lone electrons plus 1/2 the bonding electrons. For an example, today I will be talking about ozone, which is O3. I have it drawn up here, and you can see that each of them will have a different formal charge. The first step, what you want to do, is label each of your oxygens. Then you will start finding the formal charges. The formal charge for the first oxygen would be the oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Then you'd subtract the sum of its lone electrons, which this one has 4, and adding it with 1/2 of the bonding electrons. And these two lines indicate that it shares 4 bonding electrons, which would give you a formal charge of 0. Then you move on to your next oxygen. It has the same 6 valence electrons, but this time it only has 2 lone electrons. And you'd add it to 1/2 of the bonding, and right here it has 4 and this one has 2, so it would be 6. This stuff equals 5 to give you an overall of 6 minus 5, which is plus 1. So on this O2 you would mark a plus. Let's move on to our last oxygen. And this one has the same 6 valence electrons. This time it already has 6 lone electrons, and you have to add it to those 2 bonding electrons from that it shares with the second oxygen. This adds up to be 7, and 6 minus 7 equals -1. So for this one, you'd write a negative symbol on it. So the overall charge of O3 would be 0 because these two cancel out. I hope this helps out. Thank you.